Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Jabra Elite Active 65t wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working for any reason, if they're not connecting to your device, if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, all that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to need to set them up again because the pairing history and everything like that will be deleted off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to get these set up like they are a brand new set of earbuds. This is a really simple thing to do. All we need to do is take our right earbud, and on our right earbud, we're just going to press and hold the multifunction button on the back of our right earbud for at least 10 seconds until the LED flashes purple on it. Once that LED flashes purple, it will be reset. You can go ahead and delete the previous pairing off whatever devices you've had it with in the past, and then go ahead and pair these and set it up like a new set of earbuds.